Good morning, everybody. Sorry for the delay. There was a computer problem. I live in Tampa, so we're in the center of a hurricane right now. So hopefully nothing happened. Missed you, Josh, yesterday. Yes. All right. Yesterday was crazy, man. Crazy, crazy. So as I mentioned yesterday, QQ NQ Daily MACD was about to near to have a golden cross, and it sure did have a crazy one, and went crazy. And the interesting thing is was like when market open, as soon as it opens, boom, 15 minutes MACD golden cross, then followed by 30 1 hour. These are just signs that market is going to have a solid run, and it was good until 10 a.m. Then the jolt report came in. Bad news was good news, and boom, it just exploded up. Anyhow, pre-market right now, 5 is flat, and the reports that came in, nothing much changed so far. Not bad, not good, but so it's staying flat. It is normal sometimes after a big day, market have a rest day, but it is possible. We'll see at open what happened. At 10 a.m. we have housing report, and right now 15 is up. 15 already golden cross, 30 is on the edge. So if you see at open 30 MACD golden cross, we can run up higher. And 1 hour is still downward. If you see 1 hour get the light blue bar or curves up, market can run up higher. It's still bullish in the 4 hour, daily bullish. Weekly MACD is it's curving flat right now, but as you see, if a statistic fast is golden cross. Same thing on the ES. 515 is up, 30 is on the edge. So if the 30 MACD golden cross, we can run up higher. On the ES, next target is 54.94. That's 100 points away, but who knows what's gonna happen. What's interesting is I will show you. Let me show you here actually. Okay, a lot of names came down, and they with this run up they're creating a cup. So some names are getting close to the completing a cup, some names are in the middle and close to it and almost done. So that's the target on the nearing the cup. Once that happens, the question is if it's gonna break, go higher, or no, it's gonna pull back, creating a cup and handle, then break out, go higher, or continue going lower. So these are three possibilities. Either, so we are here right now for a lot of names. There is possibility go complete the cup. Either at that point we're gonna break and go higher, or create a cup and handle, go higher, or continue going lower. So we'll see what happens. For now, daily MACD is upward. NQ I showed you guys. Dow Jones. Daily is on the edge to have a golden cross there too. Weekly was dead cross, but as you see here right now, is getting diverted with this jump up. RUT weekly is still not so good. TNX, thank you, Josh. So TNX was the key signal for market dropping. Even before the jolt report came in yesterday, TNX was a little bit pulling back, and that pullback after jolt report was just boom, came down. And as I said, 41.68 was a key level market to squeeze up, and it did break it. So next target is 40.42. For now, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, everything is pointing down. Weekly we get the first dark blue bar, which is very very good sign, and it seems like the rates maybe stop going higher as fast as people expected. There is still a chance for a rate increase in the coming next time, but seems like getting close to it. With these reports is helping it. DXY was another big signal yesterday. So as you can see here, it went to the 104.369 and it was resisting to go higher. So and then after 9:30 it starts falling, and then Anjali report even fall bigger and went even below 103.676, and that was a key signal for market run up. And right now it continues, it's still falling. It's still bearish on the 15, 30, 1 hour and 4 hour, but again, if you see a jump up, it can cause market pullback. If it continues going lower, 102.795, that's the next target. If it goes lower, market can run up higher. Wicks, another key signal for market run up. So next target is 1414 and 1373. That's the next target to come. Daily dead cross, as I mentioned, that was a key signal that market wants to go higher. And 4 hours downward is still, there is some mixed signal right now. 515 is down, 30 is on the edge to have a dead cross. So if this one confirms, we can run up higher, and we'll see what happens at open. BTC, it was bear bullish even before the news came in. It was jumpy, and then once the news came, and then boom, jumped up. So right now, it's almost 2% lower. Daily MACD is on the edge to have a golden cross, and once that happens, once that confirms, we can go to 30K. If it goes to 30K, then the next high of the range is 32K. So we'll see what's gonna happen. But for now, it's resting today. Um, Apple is one perfect example of a cup handle that I mentioned. If you look at the daily here, after the earning was 186.45, 188.46. That was the high. 187, 187.40. That was the high. So it came down. It made a bottom here at 171. It created a cup, and right now is recovering, coming up. So it's completing the cup that I mentioned. To here. So it's almost like here. Apple is here. So we'll see what happens. Is it gonna break 187, 188, or is it gonna pull back and then go higher later, or continue going lower? So right now, daily MACD is golden cross. Pre-market right now, 15 is up. Mixed signal on the 30 and 1 hour, so probably flat day. But in general, you watch out for 187, 188. Breaks that one. If it breaks it strong, can run up to 191 and higher level. Pre-market right now, as I said, there's mixed signals, so key levels to watch is 183 and 185.21. Breaks either one, can make a bigger move. 185.21 breaks. Next target is 186.45. Let's go faster. Amazon, Amazon was very interesting. It jumped at open, then it became weak, then it jumped again. And I see some people loading up calls on this one. It's still not so much bullish sign on the daily, except a statistic fast, and the weekly statistic fast is golden crossing. So what you want to watch is 135.39 and 136.19. Breaks that one, then next targets is 137, 139, and 140, 152. 15 is upward, so need the 30 minutes. We're getting yellow bar pre-market. So if this one gets a golden cross and past 136, next targets are those. Nvidia, just a monster runner last few days, and yesterday was very interesting. And when it opened, it jumped, then it fell, then it jumped non-stop and went higher, and Jolt report pushed it higher. Right now, weekly is even golden crossing. Daily, 4 hour, everything is upward. So this is just all about 500. 493.88, 501.37. These are the key level to notch next. Passes 501, 511, 528, 545, 97. Those are the next long targets. 4 hour is very bullish. So this one, it's all about passing 502. 502.66 is the all-time high. I believe 520 is the high of after year earnings. So passes 502, 520 is easy to come. What else you got here? Baba, gap down. China is just every day something new happens there. 4 hour is curving down. So key levels to watch is 90.56 and 93.53. Breaks either one, it can make a bigger move. 87.59 and 96.98 higher level. Bidu holding up compared to Baba. So 138.94, if it can't hold at 137 is the next support. 4 hours on the edge to dead cross. So if it jumps up, 141, 144 is the next target. Netflix got an upgrade after market close yesterday, and it jumped up to 433 so far this morning, but now it's pulling back. 15:30 is downward. 1 hour is about to dead cross. So if it pulls back, 428, 426, those are the next support. 4 hour is upward. Daily MACD is golden cross, and weekly statistic fast is golden cross. So if it breaks 433 pre-market high, we're looking at 434, 437, 76. That's the next major level. Breaks 437, we're looking at 439, 443, and 446, 77. It does have the potential to go to 450 this week, since the 4 hour and daily are very bullish. Meta, it was interesting too. This one actually, this is another interesting thing to watch. Meta was dead yesterday at open until like even 10 a.m. He still was dead. It was not jumping, and everything was jumping. So that was the thing that, if everything is jumping, so this one should join too. So after 10 a.m. when the report came, it still wasn't jumping too much. That was a good chance to catch it before it jumps, and it sure was. Passes, it starts jumping after 10:30. Market topped almost like 11. So this one jumped after 10:30 and went just crazy up. Anyhow, On Meta, 300.8, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, we're looking at 303, 305.84 pre-market right now. 15 is upward, mixed signal. 1 hour and 30 is flat. 15 and 5 is about to dead cross, so it's all about levels to watch. Passes the pre-market high and 300.8, can run up to 305. 4 hour is bullish, daily MACD is upward, and the stochastic fast is curved up, same as weekly is golden cross. So there is a chance goes to 305.84 today. Tesla, what a monster run up. This one I've been bullish on it since, I don't know how long I've been bullish on it. Weekly is upward, and daily MACD golden cross last few days, and it did have a chance. Yesterday was 2 days ago. It pulled back very hard, and this yesterday, before even the Jolt news came in, this was one of the key leaders in the run up. And Proof 56 right now is a major level that it reached yesterday. So pre-market right now, 1 hour is dead cross, 30 minutes is downward, and 5 is downward. It's all about the pre-market high 257.17. If it does pass that one, 260.41 is a mental level to come, 260, and then above that, next major level is 266, 270, 293. With this kind of bullishness on the 4 hour and daily, there is a chance 270, 293 to come this week. And keep in mind that if you look at back 2022, 2021, even though market wasn't not so good in September, but Tesla was a good performer at that time. And right now with market getting a little bit bullish, Tesla is the best candidate. So anyhow, if the 15 minutes MACD that crosses and 254 and 252 can hold, it can give up its gain. Just keep in mind, last few weeks Tesla had many times pulling back hard, so just a possibility. Microsoft, the 329.41, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, 331, 333, 336, 338. 4 hour, one daily is very bullish. And Google, non-stop runner was yesterday, but it pulled back midday. So 135.59, that's the key level you want to watch. 135.59 passes, 136.48, 137.92, and 139.36. Those are the next key level. Daily MACD golden cross yesterday, 4 hour very bullish, weekly is still very bullish. So it's all about getting a 30 minutes MACD golden cross and 135.59 pass. AMD trying to join the game, still way behind, so this has way to go if it wants to join. Daily we got a yellow bar, 4 hours upward, flat on the 30 minutes and 1 hour. Doesn't show so much strength, but if Nvidia goes, this one should tag along. 105.69 right now is holding up. If it can hold it, if you see 15 minutes MACD dead cross again, 103.2, that's the next support. But if Nvidia goes crazy, this one should tag along and go 108.18, 109.13, 110.67, 112.21. Boeing, it tried to get to 130, but it pulled back. So right now, just probably for next few days, it's gonna be just up and down between these levels: 226, 227, 229, and 230. SPY, still in the range, going up and down. 5 is dead crossing pre-market, 15 is up. It's all about 30 MACD golden cross. If you got a golden cross there, and next key level to watch is 451.18. Passes that one, 454, 457. And if 15 minutes MACD dead cross, if it can hold 449, in case, doubt it happens today, but it's not impossible. 447, 446, 42 is the next support level to watch. QQQ 375 major level reach yesterday, and today is holding up so far. As I just keep in mind, this one already completed the cup. So you see here, it went to 375, it came down to 355. This one is actually not a cup, it's like a V recovery. So that's a key point right now, 375. So as I mentioned, this is possible. Either this one is like this, so QQ. So it's either it's gonna break 375 and run up higher, or it's gonna create a handle, run up higher later, or it's gonna reverse. So doubt it reverse so hard, but just a possibility putting it out there. So anyhow, if it breaks if it breaks pre-market high 375.72, next target is 379.77, and those are the next levels that you see. And supports you can see there too if it pulls back. If there's any symbol you're interested, let me know in the comments. AVGO, next level is 900, 905, and let me fix this one. So 905 passes, we're looking at 908, 914, 919. Earning is coming up this week, so this is going to be interesting. SMH, that one is just hot and running, so keep an eye on that one too. SMCI was running in the morning, but then once 15 minutes MACD dead cross, always pay attention when in the run up. This is always I mentioned when you see, even doesn't matter how much a name runs up, when the 15 and 30 MACD dead crosses, it pulls back even hard. So see how hard it went up and then how hard it pulled back. So anyhow, that's interesting moves in that name too. Coin, it's all about 85.37. 85.37 passes. We're looking at 89.6 next target. VFS got a hard pullback yesterday, so that one right now 1 hour is golden crossing, so 2 key level to watch. 58.42, that's a key level to watch. If it passes, it can run up higher. LRCX was a runner yesterday too. 698.67, that's the next target there. What else you got here? That's pretty much it. CRM has an earning coming up after close today, so next target is 217, 223. Maybe it doesn't continue a pre-earning run up today. And PayPal is getting interesting there too. Got a first yellow bar on the weekly, daily MACD's golden cross and upward. So 62.76 if it passes, we're looking at 63.86 and 64.95. Let me look at my scanner. MA making a new all-time high, keep going. So next target is 420.23, and on the downside, yep, that's pretty much it. As always, please like, subscribe, and share. Keep in mind there is always a chance after big days, big movement days, there is always a chance that market be slow, but if it goes, and it's gonna be crazy. As always, please subscribe, share, like, and if you like, chartwiser.com for levels. If you like that, you can sign up for sale option service. And have a beautiful day. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, Josh, I forgot that. I forgot to look at this PLTR. I'm sorry. PLTR daily is curved up and 5 is downward, 15 is curved down, and no clear signal on the 30 and 1 hour. So this one, the level to watch is 1643. That's a key level to watch. 1643, if it passes, it can run up for 1861 and 20.8. For now, 15.8 is the next support. If you look at daily, is going inside the range up and down between 13 and 16 is just going up and down. Needs to break out of this range for running up higher. But daily is curved up, so yeah, that's there is a chance there.